Good day, ma'am. I am Sanjay Ohao, and I'm going to present to you my instructional simulation about the FET simulating teaching tool. So first, we are going to search the FET. So let's define what is FET. It is an interactive tools designed to support student learning in science and mathematics. The simulation are free and accessible online, allowing students to explore and experiment with various concepts in virtual environments. So I have three learning goals that I've searched online about the FET. As you can see, the FET is founded in 2002 by Nobel Laurenti and Carl Women. Then let's press FET so we can go to their website. So this is the FET, and it is the interactive simulations for science and math. And there are three learning goals of having a FET. So first, it develops conceptual understanding, and second, it enhances the inquiry-based learning of a student, and third is foster collaboration and communication. So let's proceed to exploring the FET. So the content or inside of the FET is physics, chemistry, math, earth science, and biology. So these are the content interactive server. So now we're going to explore the physics. So this is the content of the physics, and it has a filters sort by our newest. So when we click about the filters, then we're going to present the subject and what is inside or what is the content. Then chemistry, math, just like that. So it also have a grade level. So the grade level that you want. So for us, elementary school, so it's like that. And compatibility and release type, inclusive features, and local. So let's click the show for 55 result. And this is the result. So this is the game or the simulations that you can access. So magnets and electromagnets, just like magnets and compass. And so you can explore this. So it has so many choices that you're going to explore. So let's try this one about matter, state of matter. So we're going to see about the topic. So the topics is atoms, molecules, state of matter, and sample learning goals. So it have a sample learning goals. So it have also a system requirements. And let's proceed to the game or simulation. So let's click the states. So this is the state. So going to make, and this is about game. So we're going to click this, and this is about we're going to click the code. So what happened to the molecules? So nothing happened. The heat. And then let's proceed to the other games or the other subject. So chemistry. So same as the other one, it has filters or thing. So this is the content or the games that we're going to. So we're going to click about the let's so there are so many choices that you can make or you can get. For example, state of matter. And what about this one? So we're going to click this. Then going to phase change. So what happened? So going to happen if we did here. Oh, the atom scatters and it's like that. It simulates about when you're going to compress the jar or thing that you're going to have, and the atom are going to explode because of the pressure. So that's about the simulation about the states of matter and basics. Then let's proceed to the math subject or the math that having a simulation. Here is the math. Going to click and then this one. So those have so many choices that you can make. So let's choose this one. Number compare. Let's click and now this is this one. That is number compare. Okay. So let's try this. Okay. Okay, let's try this one. So let's try the. So first you can see that it is about the number compare. So first is 0 is equals to 0. It's true. Then going to have a butterfly. Going to put 2 butterflies and a 1 apple. So the result that 2 is greater than 1. So because 2 is bigger or greater, 2 butterflies is bigger than 1 apple because it is just 1 and there's 2 butterflies. But if we put the 2 apples, we're going to put more apples. So 2 is equal to 2, or 2 butterflies or is equal to 2 butterflies also. 2 apples also. Pardon. Then, but we are going to put the apple here. Put more. So 2 is less than 3 because butterfly only have 2 and the apple is 3. So less than, naging less than na si butterfly because dalawa na lang. Then last one, we're going to explore about chemistry, I think, or biology. Oh, biology. Oh, mayroon pa pala. Earth science. So, proceed muna tayo sa biology. So, we're not going to try na because kita naman dito. So, this is the content of biology. You can choose different games or simulations. And lastly is earth science. So, what is all about earth science? So, this is the choices that you can choose about the earth science. There are so many choices like this. This is the choices. So that is all about the PhET simulation game. It also has simulation, teaching, research initiatives. You can also donate and you can sign in, register, so you can access all their games or whatsoever that they have in their website. And also you can download it in your phone via Play Store. You can see it in here, or Google Play, or if you have an Apple, then you can download it in Apple Store. So that is in about the 2024 University of Colorado Summer Research. So this one that So I think that is all about the PhET. So it is a very interactive simulation for science and math for the children. So if they don't want you to teach them, you're just going to give them the information or the content about the subject, then they can also have a simulation or true game so they can learn about the subjects that you're going to teach them. So that is all. So thank you so much.